Jed here with Forex Strategy Secrets. It is December 10th, 2018. Wanted to give you an update for today's trading so far. Today, this morning, Pohai announced a trade he took off the 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute scan in the Norwood scanner for 20 pips in the pound yen before he had to go to work. I reported a 75 pip trade in the pound New Zealand with a trailing stop of 20 pips. And on the pound Aussie, a 62 pip trade with a 20 pip trailing stop. Then, I also missed a trade in the pound yen. I had taken a 4 pip trade right in this area and got flustered with it not going anywhere. I thought, I'm just going to get rid of it. It's not doing anything. Had I waited 9 more minutes, I would have still been in this position and would have taken out roughly about 115 pips. Whereas John, trading off larger time frames, took a 5 minute trade, position signal, and made 150 pips in today's session with that trade alone. What was really fun, we're all sitting there bantering back and forth, having a good time about it, talking about some of the things I did or didn't do with the pound yen trade and so forth. John announced this one, and Pohai says, "Thanks for sharing, Jed. I need to work on touching up my trailing stop. Made 11 pips out of a possible 70 or so. I'm still ecstatic, however," which he should be. I tell John that he's got the golden ticket for the day as winning the largest trade so far, and Pohai's giving him his compliments as well. What was interesting, though, is what happened next here. I found very motivational. This is where the dynamic of this community comes into play. John says, "Hey, shared trades here today exceeded 300 pips, all down to the 15.51 course. And just as importantly, the training and support from Kirk and Jed." Pohai says, indeed, saw some stuff. It's amazing to be a part of this. But I want to give credit where credit's due, and so I'm going to do that publicly here as well. I say, don't forget the team effort that takes place here in the Pip Club and here in the forum. There is great value for all of us when we discuss and share trades we're taking. The great thing about being a part of a community that's like-minded is all ships in the harbor rise. We have paid the price as an organization to put together material and tools that really help people succeed, and success is there for the taking. I want to invite you to take advantage of the program. Come check us out. We've got some great offers here during the holiday season. Also, besides the home study course material, we have coaching, we have mentoring, and we have some great giveaways and some great programs that we're offering to coaching students as well that qualify. You can be able to earn money while you learn. So send us an email, see what it's about, come see how easy it is to get started and how quickly you can gain traction in the market. This is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets, signing off.